We're at Buttonwillow Raceway for the launch of the Q5 and a bonus launch of the Q5S. Q5 is clearly a track day weapon.
Braking stability on the front tire on this tire is better than any tire I've ridden.
The tire just keeps responding. It just keeps getting better.
And honestly, I was blown away. I had so much fun. I just wanted to keep riding.
I think it's a tire you can put on at any skill set. No warmers, obviously, which is great. Just makes it going to the track that much easier. I hate doing my own tire warmers and stands, so it's nice to not have to worry about that.
Like, one of the big things that I wanted to try is like how quickly I could just go out and go at my fast pace. And it was like 4 corners, and I think I could have done it even sooner, but I was just nervous about it because you don't know. And I just started ripping after 4 corners, and to me, that's crazy.
It's really nice to get out here and have the confidence to be able to go out and trust the front tire.
Sometimes you go on the track with cold tires, you're like, whoa, it feels hard. Nah, bro, I was just running smoothly through the track. You know, I don't know, man. Just like I got the patches on, but I'm not selling it. You know what I'm saying? It's real.
It's what I would call a quantum leap in performance.